Hello, 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 hello. Is it on? Hello, it is on. We are here for... I forgot my little stick man. We are here for... more mathematic. As you can see, we are gonna spam probability because I have my exam in a few days. There it is. Does it appear on OBS? Yes, it does. Hello, motherfucker. Wait, long one. This one, this one. Bam, 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 bam. Wait, why is there the... Why is this thing on the left on? Hide. There we go. No. There we go. Hide it. There we go. We are ready. Yeah. So yeah, I'm doing past exam subject and I'm writing the stuff that I need to remember. I mean that I need to put on my cheat list. Cheat sheet. As always, I am allowed. I'm allowed my entire class, my entire lesson. But if I just bring my... well, first of all, it's on my tablet. And printing a PDF is a massive bother because it's like stretched and thingy and all messed up. And second of all, it's not filtered at all. So, yeah. It will just make me lose time. So since the exam is short, I prefer having all the important information on a little cheat sheet. So yeah. And there I do the exercises on this page. So yeah, I was doing this yesterday before, I forgot when. The exercise we're about to do right now. Maybe I should jump. Since I don't have the correction, because the teacher wouldn't bother sending us some correction or hint, I'm gonna use Mr. AI a lot today to help me figure out how to solve stuff. Don't worry, I compare with my lesson to see if I can find it, or I try first to do it on my own, and then I ask the AI what I did and if it's correct and such. I'm not just putting the question, seeing what he does and copying it. I'm trying to think on what I'm doing. So, show. Yes, reset the timer. Reset Z timer, mama. But as always, I won't really follow the timer, it's just as a guide to see if I studied like at least 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Or around 25. If I lose my concentration before, then I can take a break. It's not a rigorous timer. I have tea on the side, so... But it's kind of too hot for me to drink right now. Citrusy. So yeah, I was doing this thing, this thingy. Okay, since I did this thing, oh shit, it keeps on going. Okay, let's do a clean drawing. New drawing. I shouldn't sing the Pokemon no, not Pokesleep. Fuck off. Fuck off you. Up. Big on all of you. Let me launch. No, I already fed my Snorlax. Leave me alone. Kizuku no da mazari wa toshite mo kokoro da kedo. Where am I? Okay, I found my channel. There it is. There, my little companion, my moral support, which is myself, just to not have a full zero stats. yeah, let's go, I guess. So, more lightning, peu Élysée. Exercise. L'objectif de cet exercice est de montrer que la limite en loi d'une suite de poissons. Ah, yes, that. So we got the hypotheses. So we got 1 that xn. Wait, wrong one. Low of xn is equal to the poisson low. Lambda n, yeah. And 2 that xn converges toward x in low. Convergence in lows, did I write what it was there or did I not write the convergences yet? I don't think I did not, okay. So the convergence by low is with the exponential, the espérance, the expected value, if I remember correctly. Let me find my lesson. Convergences. There we go. Convergence dans L1, convergence parce que partout. Convergence en loi. So is there what is converging? Tending toward deep L, my beloved. I can just ask AI, but I'm scared of using too many free tokens. Convergence. Converging. Convergence en loi. Legal convergence by law. Okay, DeepL is useless. Let's go to Wikipedia. Wikipedia. We switch the language. The little fuck. There's no English. Convergence de variable aléatoire. Surely there must be an English page. There is. Convergence of random variable. Okay, it is convergence? Well, I guess I just keep saying convergence then. So convergence in low. Convergence in a low, convergence in a low. So convergence in a low is equivalent to saying that the law of xn tends toward the law of x étroitement. So étroitement, how do I say it étroitement in English? Étroitement, stuck? No. Closely, tightly, narrowly. Okay, tightly converging narrowly. I guess in this context it should be narrow. So it means that the law of xn narrowly tends toward the law of x. So I guess that's how we can use the. We can switch from lambda n to lambda. Nous say yeah. If you wanna see some action, you gotta be the center of attraction. Make sure that they got their eyes on you, like the face that you see on the magazines. Blah, ba, ba, da, da. See surround you. It must be your destiny to. So baby, now you feel like number one, shining bright for everyone. Beep bap boop beep boop beep boop beep boop bap beep beep beep. So I have to show. Show that lambda n is bounded. So I guess I have to use the convergence in low. So the low convergence means that for all functions that are continuous and bounded of Rd. On the set Rd, we have the integral on Rd of f of t, the p of xn, yeah, dt tends toward Rdd f of t p x dt. F is bounded, well, no matter t, it is bounded. I'm stuck again. I really struggle with this bounded thing. I don't know what to use. I'm gonna ask AI again. Yeah, I've got the experience of fm. Oh yeah, this is the expected value, right? This is what I just wrote. Oh yeah. Yeah, it means the expected value of fxn tends toward the expected value of. But c'est-à-dire le poisson est caractérisé par son paramètre lambda qui est également l'espérance de distribution. Preuve de la borne. Puisque xn converge en loi vers x, les paramètres doivent également converger vers un certain lambda. But what bothers me is that it's the next question that asks me to deduce that there exists a lambda such that it is the limit of this thing. Puisque xn converge en loi vers x, les paramètres doivent également converger vers un certain lambda. Une suite convergente est toujours bornée. Ah yes, since xn tends toward x in low, it means the low of xn must also tend towards something, tend towards something, and if it tends towards something, it is bounded. But I feel like this argument is kinda lacking something. To show that lambda n tends toward lambda, I just need to use that the law of xn tends narrowly toward the law of x. Okay, we use that pi is a constant, therefore we have that lambda n must tend toward something which is equal to the law of x. And I guess we have to use that the lambda n is bounded for such a limit to exist. That's why this is the first question. And to show that it is bounded, we need to say that xn tends toward x in low. So that means the expected value of any functions that are continuous and bounded of xn tends toward. But the function is bounded. It doesn't mean that the variable that's in the function needs to be bounded as well. That's why I struggle to make the jump between the two. Comment corriger certains forces sont toujours bornés, donc la suite est bornée. Supposons que ne soit pas borné, ça signifie qu'il existe une sous-suite telle que Satan. There is a subseries such that it tends toward plus infinity. if the subseries tends toward the plus infinity, then the law of Poisson tends toward the distribution, a normal distribution, with a variation tending toward infinity. I guess I can write this first of all. Convergence. Oh yeah, I'm writing in French. I'm gonna need to copy it on a paper later, so I don't want to think about the translation. X in loi is equivalent to loi xn tend toward loi x étroitement i.e. in green i.e. pxn tends toward px at Okay, and with the transfer theorem we can just transform it back into the expected value. Transfer theorem, just f of xn tends to 1. Yeah, it's logical, but I'm writing it in case I forgot that we need the transfer theorem to go back into the universe instead of R. Moi je viens d'un pays de désert infini où les caravanes rêvent et flânent, où pendant ton sommeil le serpent t'ensorcelle. C'est bizarre ça, mais chez moi. Quand le vent vient de l'est, le soleil est à l'ouest et s'endort dans les sables d'or. C'est l'instant envoûtant, volant tapis volant vers la magie des nuits d'Orient. Aux nuits d'Arabie, mille et une folie. La folie d'amour plus chaude à minuit qu'au soleil en plein jour. Aux nuits d'Arabie. Mon regard devient... Ouais, I forgot the last lyrics. I just started, I'm already going crazy. Just fucking thinking that... Arabian Night. Je trouve l'argument... Comment la convergence en loi explique... Ah, low convergence. It converges in low, and low of xn is equal to thingy, so to pi lambda n. So pi lambda n also converges in low, right? Yeah, that's why we have the low at 10. Okay, so I think I just need to cut the... I can just do it all in one go. So we say xn tends toward x in low, equivalent to the low of xn tends toward low of x narrowly, so nar. So we replace it with pi lambda n tends toward narrow to r, to narrow, I think to r, low of x. So lambda n tends toward low of x finite. Otherwise, if there exists a lambda nk such that lambda nk tends toward infinity, then x nk tends toward infinity. Wrong, contradict the hypothesis. Okay, just that contradicts the 1 and 2. Lambda n converges toward... I'm writing so bad, I'm sorry. Low of x. Pi lambda. Pi is a constant. Lambda n converges. So there exists a lambda in R, such that lambda n minus lambda is inferior to epsilon for all epsilon greater than 0. Low of xn minus low of x inferior to epsilon. Or I guess I keep it like that. I.e. low of x is equal to pi lambda. There, I think it's just that, right? Batoto da Torakuda na 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 na. Yeah, I did an exercise. I guess I deserve a little break. Oof. I think there might be hope that I get this exam first try. I really need to. I can't. I can't afford to do makeup I just can't. I have too many other subjects that I have a makeup of. And in order to prevent this case, I just need to do more exercises and more exercises and not burn out. Beard is itchy. Need to shave. Such a pain. Such a pain, such a pain, such a pain. Ah yes, I'm excited. I made $500 of the stock market yesterday. I'm happy. I'm slowly starting to make money. I mean, I'm still 1/3 in the red since I started option, but I'm slowly making back what I lost. So that's what matters, ain't it? If I go back to the amount I started with, I will be extremely happy, and then I can start thinking about the money I made as in a benefit. Because I did make $500, but I'm like 3k in the red, a bit over 3k in the red. So yeah. This is fine. This is fine. Just need to not be greedy, learn from mistakes, and yeah, keep calm. Phew. Sora hohoe hochita fukatsu no shira hikari yo yami no mina mo tsuikomarete yuku. My god, the wind is bothering me. It's making stuff move. If I close it gets hot, so I'm forced to like leave it half open, but Tidon. No, pencil Kühne, out of battery. Ah là là là. Block. He's in, boys. Kevin Penkin, the goat. L'année en revue. This waffle peak kills me every time. Yeah, I know it's been over. It's been over 5 minutes. Ah yes, the next question. Neo, I was trying to do it yesterday. I mean, it's not hard, it's just messy. Messy. Ikite itai yo. Genki Joshi wa dodai Amone Moyo yametanda. Mitasare takai makuru ya kukururu arukuru de shodo kushite nemuru. Hayaku moto ochite ikite itai yo mayo no 6歳のりを未来も内臓パラパラパタタタななななななななななななな Na 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 da 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 na 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 So lows UN is in 01 and the normal low on 01. So it is a Gaussian thingy. Disturbing the peace, look into my eyes. Tell me the things you babble about beyond my path. So UN, so the series UN, a series of in English, random, real random variables there, such that verifying the next two hypotheses. For all n, the law of UN is equal to the normal law 0, 1. All the UNs are identically independently distributed, as in all of them are exactly the same and independent from each other. For something for x in R, we define a series of variable xn with, I guess I shouldn't use x, lambda. So that xn is equal to lambda times xn minus 1 plus un. And we have that x0 is equal to u0. First question, it shows that for all n, xn is Gaussian. A Gaussian is a random real variable blah, blah, that follows the normal rules. So we have that the first step is correct when the x0 is equal to u0, which follows the laws, normal law. So it is Gaussian. So we do how is it called? Recurrence. Do a recurrence. Recurrence. So we suppose that xn is Gaussian and look at xn plus 1. So xn plus 1 is equal to lambda times xn plus un plus 1. So un plus 1 is Gaussian. And the x times lambda times xn is equal to wait, no, never mind. We just have that. We have that lambda times xn is Gaussian by the hypothesis. The sum of two Gaussian is Gaussian. A Gaussian is not is stable by multiplication. Therefore, we got the sum of Gaussian. Therefore, xn plus 1 is Gaussian. So for all n, xn is Gaussian. I think it's that, if I remember correctly. Beep 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 boop 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 boop. So show that for all n, the mean and the variation of xn. The mean. So the mean is the expected value, right? The expected value of a Gaussian. I mean, we gotta look at the correct the class to remember this. I'm gonna go pee and we're gonna continue studying for real. You. Una mattina, Billy ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Fuck. Putti. Chiappara ciampari scambo. Sate. So, this one, well, the first one I did by recurrence, by vocal, by orally. Mean and variance of XL. Ha, ha. 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 Gaussian vector, I guess. I mean, if it is a Gaussian variable, Gaussian, it means it is either degenerated, as in the variance of y is equal to 0, as in y is a constant, or the expected value of y is equal to m, and this variance is equal to the square root of the variance. Wait, what? Damn. Demo, momo. We can. I guess we are supposed to use the expected value for this, right? But this xn is kind of weird because they all are dependent of the previous one. What's the use of the characteristic function? Because we just do characteristic function of x is equal to the expected value of exponential I scalar of t with x, but it's just what to break them. I mean, in this exam subject, I don't see a single characteristic value being asked to be used for any of them, so it's kind of worrying. But it's not really hard to use, so Curve. Point. So sigma square of z is equal to blah blah blah. I don't see the characteristic value being used here now. Show it is Gaussian. We use the characteristic value to show that something is Gaussian. Gaussian. I see. As in, what do we even show? So we break them because they are independent. Blah 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 blah. Then we restructure them so that we have a format. St times sigma x square sigma st. Cas vectoriel. Densité de proba. Okay, so anything Gaussian seems to be related to the characteristic value function. But matrice inversible, bla. Standard Gaussian. Un Gauss non dégénéré, bla. So x is R Gaussian, which means the characteristic function. Maybe it's what I was supposed to use, but this one, I mean, the recurrence works, yeah, right? And here, it's weird because they all depend of each other. So yeah, we got t, mx, sum of x, t, e, exponential I, t, mmxk, exponential blah. The sum becomes a multiplication outside of the exponential, and is just equal to the multiplication of all the characteristic function of xk, which means law of xk is equal to the normal law of mxk sigma k. So x is RD Gauss non-degenerated, so we can find an invertible for the sum, the sum vector. If x is diagonal, diagonal, then xk tends toward the thingy. So I guess we develop it into the exponential of all the sum. I mean, they will multiply, but once they are in the exponential, it becomes a sum. T exponential. T square k sigma square k. Kinda complicated. I see it's written that it's gonna be on the exam, so welp. So we got that x is an RD Gauss. if the characteristical function of xt is equal to the exponential of I times the vector of t with their associated m as in the m of the normal law, exponential minus t, this is the other part of the normal law, t power t transpose. I guess I'm gonna transpose. If I have t power t, it's gonna be kind of weird. The sum of x of all the t. What does this sum x of t is equal to? I am a bulokuto. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. So yes, the sum of all the t, xt, the t transpose becomes just regular t, right? Because this t is regular. And the sum just becomes the sum of all the sigma k with k equal to 1. So we just got this product because we get the sum out. Yeah. And they both are from 1 to d. Oh, no, never mind. The t is the variable one. So tk and mx stays the same? Oh, yeah, k. K moves as well. And we got exponential. The hell? How the hell am I writing the exponential? Exponential. I summed from d, k equal 1, ek mx k exponential minus 1 over 2 sumu k equal to 1 d t square k sigma square somehow k. This is if ax is equal to all the sigma 1 square sigma d square 0, 0 is diagonal. Padulu, padulu. Beep 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 boop 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 beep beep boop. Beep beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop boop. Bam bada bam bada bada bam bam. Beep beep boop beep boop 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 beep beep beep. Beep beep boop beep boop beep boop beep beep boop. Ba ba body ba ba body ba ba body ba ba body boop 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 boop. Everybody, 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 everybody. Définition d'un vecteur gaussien. Densité vecteur K vectoriel. So this is vectorial Gaussian. Yeah, I think this is. Non, définition d'un vecteur gaussien, c'est ça? Or this is K vectoriel. No, I guess I think it is that. Vecteur gaussien, vecteur gaussien. Vecteur gaussien. Donc c'est YQ est une variable aléatoire réelle Gauss. J'ai pas déjà marqué. Hein. Yeah, here. Dummy. I got a feeling of a déjà vu while writing it. Everybody, 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 everybody. Vect Gauss. The tea is heating. I need to pee again. Oh no. Oh, issue. Piparido, 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 piparido. Pum pa pa pum 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 pa pa pum pum pa. Para pa 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 pum pa pa pum 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 para pa 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 pum. Moi je viens d'un pays de désert infini. Oh, ishi, shi, shi, shi. Oui, para, pa, 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 pa. I should make a cake. I think I'm getting hungry. The sudden switch. I should make a cake. C'est stable par combinaison affine. Brain bug, brain bug, 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 bug. Yume, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 na ta 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 parroya. Midiri tarira na 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 guru guru. Shizume, yume, yume, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 na 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 na. Midari mi yukume no yuru. Where they go standard. I see stuff, but I don't think those things have been in the past exams. And this teacher is lazy. So he's gonna reuse some exercises for sure. So if I don't say this, I don't think it should pop on the exam. Shizumu yoru ni tokete yuku yo ni ti 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 futari dake no sora ga irogaru yoru ni. Yeah, I don't have any music. I don't have my headphone on, so so I'm just singing any music that pops to my mind. What was I questioning, or what was I lost about? The second exercise that tells me to decide the mean and the variance. La moyenne. Ouais, donc du coup, just x0 is equal to the thingy of u. 0 is equal to the mean of n01. And this is just equal to 0, right? Maybe, pusu. Let me ask a GPT what's that. Ah oui, voilà, c'est ça. Yeah, n01, the 0 is the expected value and the 1 is the variance. So yeah. We can use the recurrence for the expected value. But the xn has a weird low. Ah, yeah, so we have that x0 is equal to 0. So it will work. So for the xn, we suppose it works, as in it is equal to 0. So we look at the xn plus 1. Okay. So suppose that the experience of xn is equal to 0. Experience of xn plus 1 is equal to the expected value of ln xn plus un plus 1 equal to the expected value of theta xn plus the expected value of un plus 1. This is equal to 0. And this is equal to ln exponential of xn equals 0. Okay. Wait, I cannot do the variation, the recurrence for the variation, right? The variance. We can do the récurrence, relation de récurrence pour la variance. En utilisant la propriété de la variance pour des variables indépendantes, nous avons développement de la récurrence. So we can do a récurrence even if it's not... En itérant cette relation, nous avons... So I guess first we gotta look at Attends. Ta mère. La course a jamais commencé. Les bourses trop lourdes. J'ouvre la puta de secours. Sur répondeur, elles sont en route. Rap suspendu à nos coups. Grosse canaille, j'arrive comme toi, bye bye. Bra. How. How do I break it? I'm sorry. I can just break them in two. Yeah, I think I've written the property of the variance. Yeah, am I sure about the VB? Or did I do it from memory? Knowing myself, I think I did it from memory. Totsu watashi wa me ni otoshi kokoro no shizumu ni to omou. Hitotsu watashi wa mizu kara no kokoro no shizumu nano na yusuru. Nanu na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. 心がふらがその場所へマナナマナマナナナナナナナナルナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナナYes. Variance property. Hitotsu watashi wa Hitotsu watashi wa No, it is equal to a square vx. The b disappears. But b disappears because it is a constant, right? Yeah, because the expected value of a constant is equal to the constant. And I guess they cancel each other out with the distribution. Wait. It was equal to the expected value of theta xn minus 1 minus the expected value of theta xn minus 1 plus un. Wait, I forgot the un here. Is that it? Yes, it is right. I can't. I'm done. I forgot. Yeah, it's the yeah. It's only a square if it's for the moment 2. Le moment 2. Wait, so we got expected. Oh, let me look at what GPT did. Well, no, not GPT, but Mistral. Valeur de relation de récurrence pour la variance. La variation des 0 x n. En utilisant la propriété de la variance pour des variables indépendantes, nous avons plus. So we can break them pour des variables indépendantes. Ah. Admettre une variance, alors leur somme aussi elle s'écrit... Ah oui, bah plus 2 cov. Ah ouais, plus 2 cov, but since they are independent from each other, the covariance is equal to 0. Ok. So here we write variable de x plus y du coup est égal à la variable de la variance de x, la variable de y plus 2 cov x y. That's not weak. Okay. And so they are dependent. They are dependent, so we have theta xn minus 1 plus the variance of un. It is equal to 1. And this is equal to like square variance of xn minus 1. Which is equal to theta square variance of theta xn minus 2 plus u n minus 1. So it is equal to theta power 4 v x n minus 2 plus theta square plus 1 as in theta power 2 times 0. So then we end up with yeah, okay. That's why I was confused. There's no sum here, it's the power 2n with the variation of x 0 plus the sum 2n as well. K is equal to 0 with this one of theta power 2k. There we go. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. We start at n and the x minus n1. Aren't they the same? Yes, we got the n minus 1 and we got n. So yes, so it's n minus 1 2 power n. Yes, there are n total because we start at 0. It's like in PC on the inside encoding. So that's why it's 2 power n, and this one is n minus 1 because we start at 1 plus. Yeah, minus 1. Okay. Okay. So it is equal to theta 2 power n plus sum n minus 1 k equals 0 theta 2k. And the last question is, so we got 3 infer to 1. So that means that 2 power n tends towards 0 as n tends towards infinity, and n minus 1k 0 theta 2k is equal to 1 over 1 minus 2k. And that's it. Pour la dernière question... Est-ce que 1 sur 1 moins θ. Wait, not the normal law, but it converges. Wait, convergence sans loi. Ah yeah, so here I wasn't done, right? Avec un facteur commun si θ est différent de 1. Ah yeah. This is equal to like θ 2n plus 1 minus θ 2n. Yeah, it's n plus 1 square over 1 minus 2. So yeah, when we put it on the same thingy. So θ 2n minus θ 2n plus 1 minus θ 2n over 1 minus θ 2. Yeah, I should have thought about developing this. So we end up with those two cancel each other out, so we just end up with 1 minus θ 2n plus 1 over 1 minus θ square. So if this is inferior to 1, it tends towards 0, so we end up with this anyway. But yeah. Beep, beep. Puisque Xn est une somme de variables aléatoires gaussiennes. When I finish this, I'm gonna do a cake. Cakey. Lorsque n tend vers x, variable xn converge vers 1 sur 1. Donc xn converge vers 1 moins θ. Et ça, c'est égal à la loi de xn, non? La suite converge en loi vers une variable aléatoire gaussienne. La loi limite est donc une loi normale avec moins de 0, une variance de 1 machin. Pour tout n saut. ISO de m is equal to 0 et sigma est égal à 1 sur 1 moins θ. So we get that xn turns in loi toward n 0 1 1 minus θ square. Ok. That's it. Déterminer la loi limite. Ok, that's it. Huh. Yay! Point. Cake. Did I say cake? I said cake. I'm gonna make a great cake. Oh, my headphone should be charged enough. My Bluetooth headphone. Hop. Let's have some music while I cake this motherfucker. I wish I had a cuisine setup. Just to like switch real quick. I'll hold up. I'm making a cake. Would be fun, but with my current financial how is it called, state, and the current place I live in and such, it's not really possible. So it's gonna be just ASMR. I'm cooking a cake. I'm doing a yogurt cake. A simple yogurt cake. I'm just gonna turn it off. Maybe I should write that I'm making a cake. Never mind. Making a cake. There we go. Oh, wait, oh. Clonk. Oh là là. Ah. Batuto da Torakura. Yeah, it won't fit into my little thingy. What up, Peru? Okay, let me clean that up. Clank, clank, oh clank, clank, clank. Ah! Someday. Machine kaiju yo, podcast. Quiero yo, mamá son, sugar son, peanuts and bitters attack. Nigga stay partyを続けようって怪獣を驚かせ。Oh no no, I feel Jojo Lane on the reflection. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pam pam. Pam 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 pam. Tori ni narezu chigiri sono wa yurasu. ぼだし時を待った駆け引きの世界へようこそ。糸の花グラム血の愛はこの試合者は誰プルベンベンベンベンベンベンベンヒフンフンフンフンフンだろうかさえをつって孤独実は好き借りたなが運命を変わりつき常識光の好きで行こうラッタタ踊れまいなピーチュチュラチュラッタッタタこの手のひらげタタタThe yogurt. Maybe I should narrate what I'm doing. So right now I'm putting yogurt in the container. 2 pots of yogurt.何が珍しい人生だ過去と未来君を 僕らは旅人として生きた地球でな踊りかハッピーエンドフラせよったもの惜しい夢ならすべて奪えAh putain de sa race, ma運命を変えの月女子機光の好きで行こう踊れまいピースこの手のひらげトゥトゥトゥポイポイポイトゥルルルルトゥトゥルルルル歌え希望の鐘の歌おつめならばおつめならば光の今のプラン then 3 eggs into the thingy right the yogurt oh shit one two選ばれてるスリー育成の規制無されたんでずるるVoilà, let me add the butter while I'm at it so that I can heat up the oven, the quote unquote oven. Oh my god, it's hot. Idari wa kyakugo shinga nita nagu wakare no uta motsume nagara Garisa hageru nagu Minai boku no tsunagu This will with eternity so that begin the possibility of There we go. The butter has been recovered. And the melted butter. Anyway, now we mix. Mix. My hand hurts. This begins with eternity song. That's begin. I should put the salt now. Yo, battery. Up, and now the full hour. And the bicarbonate thingy that I just put. How do I gauge, you ask? Instinct. Instinct and belief. I believe that I'm gonna put the perfect amount. And it happens. Because I'm goated. It doesn't, but... I don't know, measuring stuff is a pain. Especially when I don't have a weight anyway. You give me your love and passion. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. Cause I'm crazy about you. Let's try to have such a shit go. Off the line. The parking grade board. You give orders and I did that. Oh no, it's a black screen, sad. Give me your love and passion. You sit down. Get in. Get in for my love. Fuck. I put some on the side. I don't know how I feel about this consistency. I don't know. Fucking beautiful. Maybe I can add a little more. I don't know. I got no idea. Belief. 1% luck, 99% face. More than like you say. Don't you get it and home and tired? It's getting hot in there. Risk it, I wanna risk it all for two of us. A little bit of vanilla and I don't know, citrus zest, I think. Won't you give me your love and passion? Sareteta. Get in. This is getting for my love. I mean, it's kind of nearly expired, but surely it's gonna be fine. It's gonna burn into an 180 oven anyway. You're the only man who I love in my life, in destiny and all. Don't you give me your love and passion? Ni doji komerareta ko wa shoujo ni iki o tometa. Thank you. That it will be enough. Oh well. どうあってどうしようもないことばかりじゃないか。得られない世界で凍えている Open your eyes 沈む影来ないまでもこれが現実自由ともないあなたがくれない民が愛かもしれないの一人でいたいしてた僕をどうだするシャンプロLet me add some cocoa powder, please. Because why not? 言えるのかそれだけ諦めれば二つの笑えるペリリリリって壊れても生きてどもお願い僕は続くが生きる外に 落ちる僕をだけだ。少しお顔も変え。例えば最後にこの歌はなくても世界は何一つ変わりなしないけど、小さな小さな僕らは人より触れない覚悟すべてさからばこ君が消えたこの歌がいつかたとえそれから空なんだって楽しんだことでこの場所should be enough. I got most of the thing of the fouet. So... nom 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 nom. The rest is mine to consume. Now let me open this car. どけあってバイブス。虹に雲を差し飛び立つ。赤い花のしていたいやいやいやいやすぐに出してショットを動かすと I'm changing to a monster. Uragi ni yoribo Ukaku Ochite yuku no sa I'm flying Kashi Sono mata vita shite Shika sekai ma padaraku samu Nakuen no yo Now we just need to wait for the thing to hit. No idea when it would be done, but anyway. Don't get plague For you, cause we have a reason to believe you, to believe you. Mekkano sunoko no koe to we will never stop, sa. Sore desu nai kakuse sunoko no koe to now we gotta go. Tsukai yo tsumi ni yasu no negau no daro. I'll chase, I'll trace where you are looking and never be afraid of your own. It's been 20 minutes. Let's say it's hard enough, I don't know. Voilà. Ah oui, oui. And we clean. Cooking is a huge time commitment, man. I only did a simple yogurt cake and it took me over 30 minutes. Maybe because I suck. Surely because I suck. There we go. Anyway, the thing is cooking for at least 20 minutes. We'll see. Phew. Kono sekai wa kotsuko ni mikanse Boku wa shiritai na. God's unique. Since the moonlight. Take I do need not need now da da dum. And now I'm tired. Tokidoki Zanoki the Kiwo. Hajimeyo. Itsumademo Kakushita Toshite I'm tired. No. Et... Taillette, 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 yed, yed. Pop, 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 pop. This one next. I'm hungry. Well, I'm not really hungry, I just want to eat. But the cake is cooking, the cake is cooking. Like 15 more minutes maybe? I don't know. Parce que sûrement constante. So we got that square. So Vx is equal to this equals 0. Which means that we want that x minus xx equals 0. Equals 0. X is equal to x, as in x is equal to the integral on omega on x omega px dt. Ouais, presque sûrement. Ah, one way and the other, so that means we got x equal ax implies x is equal to a constant, presque sûrement. And we got x is equal to a constant, p presque sûrement implies x is equal to okay. So it means it is constant. Ah, yeah. It means that what did AI use? It means that P the probability of x being equal to the expected value is equal to 1. That's an interesting. P of x is equal to ax is equal to 1 because it is probability most surely, and probability of omega equal 1 or P of C is equal to 1 C constant. I mean, So there exists... no, wait, never mind. And we know... I can't write for the enough. Know that P of x equal to C is equal to 1. Almost surely. That's a nest. So there exists a C in there exists a C such that it is equal to the x. So x is constant. Like that? Est presque sûrement égal à la constante EX. Yeah. X almost surely equal to C. Equal to... So x constant. Oh, and in the other way, where we just have is equal almost... Because we got that... Okay, so we got that x... so that means we got x omega p x dt, or d omega, is equal to just c p of x d omega is equal to c times the integral of the probability of x d omega on omega is equal to the probability of p omega, right? Equals c. So we got that x. Yeah, it's c times the integral that is equal to 1. Yeah, this is equal to like the probability of x equal omega equal 1, I think. I don't know. Yeah. Convergence en loi, blablabla, l'expérience de propriété. Ah, there we go. dx plus y is equal to the thingy. Wow. Let's do the stuff I haven't done. I've already did this exercise in the past. And it's just applying the property, so the definition. Soit A, non 1, sur un, montrer que A converge vers A si et seulement si la suite de probabilité. Ok, ouais. C'est une masse de directement. Converge étroitement vers machin. Ok. So. A n tends toward A. Day A. So, for all f in the continuous bounded, right? So we got that the The burnout is here. The burnout is here. It is here. So it's something dumb. The burnout easily. Well, I guess I'm gonna stop. So that anyway, I'm gonna eat my cake soon anyway. And I'm gonna continue again a bit later after I had my after I recharge my social anxiety bar. Since I have been streaming for 2 hours 37. So yeah. Thanks for watching. No one did, but it's fine. I'm thanking myself. I'm gonna snack and I'm gonna continue doing more math. Anyway, bye bye.